Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the BC command. It's a command line calculator. To start BC, you just type BC. After a brief heading, BC then waits for your input. You can exit by typing quit or start handing BC calculations that you want it to perform for you. Here's a very easy example. So 62 years ago was 1957. Now let's get a little more complicated. The parenthesized part in this example ensures that the subtraction is done before the multiplication. In this next example, we calculate both the square and the cube of 11. Notice that we use a semicolon to separate the two equations. You can also assign values to variables in BC, helpful if you want to reuse a value without having to re-enter it. So here we're going to set a rate, an hourly rate, to $25.75. And then we're going to use that rate in a calculation. So we want to see what 30 hours at that rate is going to cost us. And that would be $772.50. You can also decide how many decimal places you want to see in your results by using the scale value. So we set scale to 2, and then we enter a calculation. And you can see we now get 2 decimal places. Well, that's your Linux tip for the BC command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you liked this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.